Hey folks, I have another dimple lock to show you tonight. This is an ISEO dimple lock. Very nice looking keyway, quite challenging seems to be. The beating is also quite good. There are high lows everywhere. It's a six dimple lock, runs absolutely smoothly. The model, at least if I judge from the key, is the R6. Having said that, let's have a look. What does it take to get inside this lock? So, 1 gives immediately a click, 2 gives a click, I think he's set, 3 I think 3 I overset. Let's let him back. 4 5 and let's see what 6 has to say. Two is set, 3 seems to be set, 4, tiny push on 5, nothing, then 6, let's try again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, no, that was another set for 1, that was a set for 2, that seems to be a set for 3, okay, we dropped into a full set. And there we go, number 5 opens the lock. Cool. So, let's have a look. What does it take? What makes this lock kick in? So, let me get rid of this C-clip here. Try not to look it. Like to see and use my new tools. So, there we have this and this. And let's see if this would be nice. So all of the pins now need to go down. I can immediately tell you that number 1 is a spool because we can see it from top. Let's see, maybe I need to push like that a bit. Okay. So. The pins. And let's start with number. Okay, that was the plug, one of the buttons for the plug. Here's something curious. If you look at number 1, he is almost at the shear line. Same is with number 3. They're literally, they just need a nudge. That is why all the time I felt like the moment I touched them, they are set, and oversetting them was quite easy. So, starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, they are all standard pins. Just move them a little bit. Okay, and let's have a look then. On this tool here, so I will start from the front of the lock. That's number 1, and I was right, it was a spool. Then number 2 is another spool. Okay, too many spools actually, but okay, I don't think number 1 played any role. As I said, because of the shear line, I don't think it even touched it. Number 3 is a spool, which I again don't think it's an effective one. Number 4 is another spool. Why so many spools? I did not feel so many spools. Number 5 is another spool. Really strange. And number 6 was also another spool. So we have 6 spools. Interesting. So what do we have here? Sorry, it just likes to move. There we go. Maybe I can zoom in a little, I can move it a little bit, and hopefully this will clear. So what we have is nothing spectacular. There are only 6 standard pins as driver pins, and as key pins, and we have 6 spools as driver pins. Nothing that special, but the lock anyway presented some fun time playing with it. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.